Welcome and Namaste. Hope you are enjoying my videos on UK. In today's video, we will see top 10 tourist attractions in London. Let's begin with Parliament Square, which is part of central London. It has lots of trees and large open areas. You will get to see Palace of Westminster, which is Parliament House. Next to that is Big Ben, a tower with watch, which is famous landmark in London. In this area, there are government offices like Whitehall, Supreme Court and church known as Westminster's Abbey. There are statues of many notable personalities including Mahatma Gandhi. From here, let's go to see next tourist attraction, that is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the residence and administrative headquarters of the British monarch in London. On weekdays at 11 am and on Sundays at 10 am, you will get to see changing of guards ceremony. I have done separate video on changing of guards at Buckingham Palace. Link is provided at the end of this video. From here, we will go to see the third tourist attraction, that is St. Paul Cathedral. On the way, you will get to see many iconic architectural buildings and government offices. Here is Queen Elizabeth II Conference Center, which provides conference facility. Now we have reached at St. Paul Cathedral. St. Paul Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral and the seat of the Bishop of London. The cathedral is one of the most famous and most recognizable sights of London. Its dome is 365 feet high and has dominated skyline of London for more than 300 years. Now we have reached at Tower of London. The Tower of London is a 1000-year-old castle and fortress in central London that is notable for housing crown of jewels and for holding many famous and infamous prisoners. In the crown of jewels, you will get to see famous Kohinoor diamond along with imperial crown and other jewels. Please do watch my video on Tower of London. Link is provided at the end of this video. Outside the Tower of London, you will get to see Tower Bridge, which is very famous because of its opening bicycles. When vessel comes, it opens and after they go, it closes. Now we are at London Eye. London Eye is the world's third largest observation wheel and is must-do experience. There are number of Thames River cruise operators from London Eye Pier. It is wonderful experience and you can see London City's most famous landmarks. Please do watch my video on London Eye Cruise. Link is provided at the end of this video. The next tourist attraction is 10 Downing Street. On the way, you can see number of gardens. Ten Downing Street is the Prime Minister's residence. It is 300-year-old and contains approximately 100 rooms. The Prime Minister's residence is on third floor. The other floor contains offices, conference rooms and reception halls. From here, we will go to see Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square is one of the city's most vibrant open spaces where most Londoners and tourists hang out. The square is named after Battle of Trafalgar, a British naval victory in Napoleonic Wars with France and Spain in year 1835. The square is dominated by 52-meter high Nelson's Column. The other prominent buildings facing the square include National Gallery, St. Martin in the Fields, Canada House and South Africa House. With fountains, column, lion, galleries and thousands of pigeons, Trafalgar Square is at its best and must-see place. So don't miss it when you go to London. Now we are at Telegraph Building on Fleet Road. It is known for its Egyptian decoration. It has a large clock hanging above the street level. The famous investment bankers Goldman Sachs used to have their office in this building. This is Strand Street, which is identified with British upper classes between the 12th to 17th centuries. Now, the Strand is well known for its coffee shops and restaurants. The street is also a center point of theatre and music hall. Now, we are at Wellington Arch, located at Hyde Park Corner. Wellington Arch was built in year 1825 to 1827 at Hyde Park to commemorate the British victories in the Napoleonic Wars. Hyde Park is the largest of 4 royal parks. The park is divided by long water lakes. Free speeches and demonstration have been key features of the Hyde Park. The park is also known for holding large-scale music concerts and major events. It's very huge and very beautiful too. Now we have reached at Brompton Street. At the end of this street, you will get to see tourist attraction number 10. It is most famous supermarket known as Harrods. Harrods is owned by State of Qatar. The store occupies 5-acre site and has 330 departments. It is one of the largest and most famous department stores in Europe. Now we have reached at Harrods. The store became popular after tragic death of Princess Diana and Dodi Al Fayed, who was former owner of Harrods. Earlier, they had kept their memorial statue inside the store. Hope you enjoyed watching historic and beautiful London. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.